Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix unable to check for update on iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue, so guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, you have to just simply open setting, and from here guys you have to make sure that your internet connection is working properly, and after that tap on journal, scroll down, and then tap on VPN and device management. And from here guys you have to make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. If there is connected VPN, then simply disconnect it, and after that again go back, and from here guys simply tap on screen time, scroll down, and then tap on content and price restriction. From here guys turn this off, enter your screen time passcode, and after that guys close this page and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then again open settings and then tap on journal, and from here guys simply tap on date and time and make sure that your date and time is correct. So guys, after doing this then again go back, then tap on language or region. So guys, select your region correctly, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, if the problem is still there guys, then you have to simply tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset network setting, enter your iPhone passcode, and after that restart your device for one time. After restarting your device, then again open software updates, and after doing this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.